So I'm not finished with my outfit, but I just want to do a little what I'm wearing. So I have these slippers on that are from Ross, and then I have these pants that are from Target, from the brand Cat and Jack, because you know I'm with that small little kid life. And then I have this shirt that says "Be the sunshine that what does it say? That strikes the rainbow." And so I'm wearing this shirt, and I like it because it has these little lines on the side, and it's super cute. And I haven't washed my face yet, but I brushed my teeth, and I haven't done my hair because I have this thing on for my under eyes. Yeah, so this is like basically what I have on. And I also have on these little bracelets, one a dream catcher one, Mexican one, a little, I don't know what it's called, but it's made out of a golden bracelet, I guess. And then some hair ties, and then on this hand, oh wait, where'd it go? Wait a second, I had a bracelet on this hand, but I don't know where it went. Oh my gosh, it's gone. I need to look for it. Okay. Change of plans, I changed back to my red shirt because I thought we were going to the baby shower, but now we're going to Walmart. So I'm going to put on my nice shoes. These are Under Armour. Okay, and mine are in size 5, so. Guys, so we are here at the vacuum place before we go to Walmart. I'm with my little sister. And so my mom is vacuuming the car. There's so many people. So there's cars over there. Oh god. And there's a car that just parks there. And then there's a car over there, and then in front of us, and then over there. There's just so many cars. ¿Verdad, gorda? Marco! But yeah, I hit my camera, so I don't know whether it would see it. No, not yet. Yeah, but the dude in front of us can probably see it, but the people that just walked by. Or my brother. Hi guys, it's like you only see something that you always do. Take this, pull it, pull this one right here. Oh, not that one. This one in the front. Under, and then push it. There, let go. Oh, yeah.
my mom's just washing or drying or getting all the trash out. Know that it's always like that. And
Guys, so now that we're under. ¿Quieres una blueberry?
no.
¿Quieres manzana?
No.
Yeah, guys, so I can vlog now. Good angle. Because we are under the car wash thingy, nobody can see me. Viola. Ready? Hi. Big hi. Big hi. Guys, so now we're actually going to Walmart over there. They've painted it 2 times, but this one, the ugliest. Okay, guys, so we came here from Walmart, and my sister is sleeping, but we didn't get the nails because my mom said that we didn't have time for that. So okay, guys, so now actually before we go to party, I have on these, I don't know what brand they are. They are, I don't know what brand, if y'all can see that one. It's Macalu, I think that's what it's called. And then I have on some nice Cat Jack jeans. Again, these are the heart ones instead of the plain ones. And the same shirt, just that I changed it. Remember, to red. And then I have the nice hair, flat hair. It was regular hair, basically, but yeah. So I'm uploading the video from yesterday, but I'm waiting for my hair to dry so I can poof it up a little bit. Yes, I look like a professional vlogger. Okay. So what was that face? I'm gonna play that. Guys, so I might not record anything else today, so this is just a bye, I guess. And then if I won't put this in the video if it's like if I did vlog more. Probably, I don't know, 50-50. 50-50, 50-50, 50-50. It's 50. Okay.